I want debt. I want silver. I want gold. I want a bit of equity to hold. Introducing 361 Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. A fund that could give you more with lower volatility. Built for the VUCA world, where volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity are taken into consideration. With a differentiated asset allocation strategy that invests in debt to aim for stability, gold and silver to aim for resilience, and equity to aim for long-term growth. A more-in-one smart mix. It's a fund that doesn't overpromise, just simply endeavors to work in unpredictable markets. The result? A smart allocation that aims to handle market complexity. So, go ahead, ask for more with 361 Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. NFO opens on 30th July and closes on 13th August 2025. To invest, contact your mutual fund distributor or financial advisor today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.